Hi, in this video, let me show you how to set up your Android smartphone with your HP LaserJet M234dw printer, how to connect them, how to print, and also how to scan and get the results from here directly on your phone. Let's get started. Step number one is to make sure that the printer is into setup mode. Take a look at the light under the HP logo. If this light is purple, it's great. You are in setup mode. If the light is not purple, we have to manually put the printer in that mode. Take a look over here. If the display is blank, press once on the I button to wake it up. Then we're going to press the I button during 5 seconds. 3, 4, 5, and release. Press the Wi-Fi button and the X button both at the same time. Just like that. And now we have to wait. Wait around 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, the light over here will be purple. The light is purple. Now on your Android phone, launch the Play Store. Click on the search and then on the top, type HP. We need to search for the HP app. This one right over here. Go ahead and download it. To add a new printer to your HP app, press the plus button on the top right corner. If it's the first time you're using the app, it will ask you anyway to add a printer, so you don't have to tap on any plus button. Select Set up a new printer, Wi-Fi, and then press Continue. Press Continue again. Your printer will appear. Press the Setup button. We need to connect the printer to your Wi-Fi network. This is the Wi-Fi network. And over here, we're going to type the password of that network. Press Continue. Press the I button when it's asked to do so. The I button is this one blinking. Press on it once and the setup will continue on the display. Press Continue. Next, you're going to press Decline Optional Data. Select your country in the list over here. Continue. You may be asked if you want to connect yourself to your HP account, and I suggest you do it because if you don't connect, unfortunately, you won't be able to scan or print using the app. It's free to do. It takes a few seconds, and then you're going to get this page where it asks you to print a test page. I'll click on skip printing page because I will show you how to print your own stuff and not waste ink on whatever they show you there. Press Continue, and now the printer has been added to the app. To print anything, you go down and select Print Documents. It can also print photos, but this printer doesn't do a great job, so I'll stick with Documents. Then I'll select PDF because that's how my documents are on my phone. And I will open whatever I want to print. Then press Print Preview on the lower left side. Before pressing the Print button, we can extend this section. Let's just wait a few seconds to load. Okay, we can extend it by dragging it up. There's a few things you can change, and once you're ready, press the Print button. If you want to scan, you're going to open the scan lid, place your document facing down with the top part towards the left side, and then we need to align the top left corner with the top left corner of the scanner. So I'll bring until both of them are touching. This is how you properly align your document. Close the lid and open back the app. On the main menu of the app, once you have tapped the printer, you should see Scan. Tap on Scan, then tap on the top. Make sure these details are what you expect from the scanning. So the paper size you have input, source, leave it like this, resolution, leave it like this, and if you want in color or in black and white. Let me go back and at the end press the Scan button. This scan is not yet saved. You're going to press on Full so the whole thing gets saved on your phone. Press Next. Press Share. Here you'll be able to change the name of your document, change the file type if you're not happy with JPEG, and share it on social media or with one of your contacts. If you want to save this on your phone, you're gonna press save. And again, you can change this, okay, the name that they gave to this document, change the file type to something else, and press save to save it on your Android. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you on the next video.